Welcome to Statistics Made Simple, and I am Savita Valsang. In this video, we'll find solutions to problems based on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient without ties. Problem 1. The following are the marks of 8 students in statistics and mathematics. Find Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. In the first column, we have marks in statistics as 25, 43, 27, 35, 54, 61, 37, 45. Second column, marks in mathematics as 35, 47, 20, 37, 63, 54, 28, and 40. The first step is to mark marks in statistics as X and marks in mathematics as Y. Now observe the values in both the columns X and Y. You see that none of the values are repeated, so it is a case of without ties. Now we need to rank the values in the first column as well as the second column. By ranking, we mean that the highest marks will get the rank as 1 and the next highest rank will get the mark as 2, and it continues in a similar way till we assign the ranks for all the values. Now form 4 more columns in the table which are highlighted in pink color as Rx, Ry. Here, X and Y are subscripts. Rx means it is a rank of the X values and Ry is the rank of the Y values. Then you also form D equal to Rx minus Ry, which is the difference between the ranks, and the last column is D square. Now in the first column, the highest marks is 61, so it gets the rank as 1. Next is 54 gets the rank as 2, 45 gets the rank as 3, 43 gets the rank as 4, 37 gets rank 5, 35 gets rank 6, 27 gets rank 7, and 25 gets rank as 8. Now Ry are the ranks for the values which are there in the second column. So in the second column, we have marks in mathematics. The highest value is 63. So 63 gets the rank as 1, 54 gets the rank as 2, 47 gets the rank as 3, 40 gets the rank as 4, 37 gets rank 5, 35 gets rank 6, 28 gets rank 7, and 20 gets rank 8. Now find out the D values, that is Rx minus Ry. So it is 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. And you will get summation D as 0. Now this step is very important. So only if summation D is equal to 0, it means that you have assigned the ranks correctly. So it is a method of cross-checking that the ranks assigned are correct. Next, square the D values and find out D square. So D square values are 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 and 1, and summation D square is equal to 14. Solution given n equal to 8. So small n stands for the number of observations. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient formula without ties is, consider rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square divided by n cubed minus n, which implies rho equal to 1 minus, substituting the totals and the value of n, we get 6 into 14 divided by 8 cubed minus 8, which is equal to 1 minus 84 divided by 512 minus 8, which is equal to 1 minus 84 by 504. Now when you divide, take 4 places after the decimal after rounding off. So which implies rho is equal to 1 minus 0.1667. Therefore, rho is equal to 0.8333. Then write the conclusion. There exists a high degree of positive correlation between marks in statistics within brackets capital X and marks in mathematics, which is capital Y. Problem 2. The following are the sales statistics of 6 sales representatives in 2 different weeks. Find Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. Representative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First week sales 60, 110, 65, 40, 70, 20. Second week sales 90, 100, 80, 30, 70, 20. Mark first week sales as X, second week sales as Y. Next, form 4 columns Rx, Ry, D equal to Rx minus Ry and D square. Now, the highest value in the X column is 110. 110 will get the rank as 1. 70 gets the rank as 2, 65 gets rank 3, 60 gets rank 4, 40 gets rank 5 and 20 gets rank 6. In the Y column, the highest value is 100. So 100 gets the rank as 1, 90 gets rank 2, 80 gets 3, 70 gets 4, 30 gets 5 and 20 gets 6. Now you observe that this is also a problem where you don't have any tie among the values. Next, find out D, which is equal to Rx minus Ry, which is 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 0. And you get summation D equal to 0. Then calculate D square, which is 4, 0, 0, 0, 4 and 0. So you get summation D square equal to 8. Now here also it is very important that you check that summation D is always 0, which means that the ranks which are assigned are correct. Solution. Given n equal to 6, then write the formula for Spearman's rank correlation coefficient without ties. Consider rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation D square divided by n cubed minus n, which implies rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into 8 divided by 6 cubed minus 6, which is equal to 1 minus 48 divided by 216 minus 6, which gives us 1 minus 48 by 210, which implies rho is equal to 1 minus 0.2286. Therefore, rho is equal to 0.7714. Conclusion. There exists a high degree of positive correlation between sales in the first week X and sales in the second week, which is denoted by the variable Y. Problem 3. Students are ranked in sports and studies as follows. Calculate Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. In the first column, rank in sports 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rank in studies 7, 6, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 8. Now in this particular problem, the ranks are already assigned in sports and in studies. So mark the first column as Rx and the second column as Ry. Now we need to form 2 more columns, that is D equal to Rx minus Ry and D square. The D values are minus 6, minus 4, 2, 0, 0, 4, 4, 0 and summation D is equal to 0, which is the important step to check. D square values are 36, 16, 4, 0, 0, 16, 16, 0. Summation D square is equal to 88. Solution: given n equal to 8, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient formula without ties is rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square divided by n cubed minus n, which implies rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into 88 divided by 8 cubed minus 8, which is equal to 1 minus 528 divided by 512 minus 8, or you get equal to 1 minus 528 divided by 504, which implies rho equal to 1 minus 1.0476. Therefore, rho is equal to minus 0.0476. Conclusion: there exists a low degree of negative correlation between sports, that is X, and studies, Y. Problem 5. If n is equal to 9 and summation d square is equal to 24, find the coefficient of rank correlation. Solution: given n equal to 9, summation d square equal to 24. Now write Spearman's rank correlation coefficient without ties. That is, consider rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square divided by n cubed minus n. Substituting the values which are given, we get which implies rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into 24 divided by 9 cubed minus 9, which is equal to 1 minus 144 divided by 729 minus 9, which is equal to 1 minus 144 divided by 720, or rho is equal to 1 minus 0.2. Therefore, rho is equal to 0.8. Conclusion: there exists a high degree of positive correlation between the two variables x and y. 6. If the coefficient of rank correlation is minus 0.6 and summation d square is equal to 56, find n. Solution: Spearman's rank correlation coefficient formula. You can write, that is, rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square divided by n cubed minus n, which implies minus 0.6 is equal to 1 minus 6 into 56 divided by n cubed minus n. Now, simplifying further, you get which implies 1 plus 0.6 is equal to 336 divided by n cubed minus n. Cross multiplying, we get 1.6 into n cubed minus n is equal to 336, or n cubed minus n is equal to 336 divided by 1.6, which implies n cubed minus n is equal to 210. Now, n cubed minus n can be written as n into n squared minus 1, which is equal to 210. So, using the trial and error method by substituting different values for n, we'll see that when n is equal to 6, we get 6 into 6 square minus 1 is equal to 210. Therefore, the value of n should be equal to 6. Problems solved in this video are 5 markers. Continue to practice them. Thank you so much for watching and look forward to my next video on solutions to problems based on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient with ties.